Discover opportunities on Intellinz's Explore page.
Upon logging in, you will see this page. Click on Explore to see the opportunities available for you. You can choose your opportunity type, such as invest, sell or buy. Then, pick your target audience, B2B or B2C. Do indicate your ideal partner countries. We have a lot of countries for you to choose from. In order to find your ideal opportunity easier, you can key in the keywords that leads to the opportunity. You can also select or key in the industry that you want your business partner to be in. Select Search by Filter and only results of your selected filter will be shown. Click on Learn More to see more details about the listing. Feel free to customize the filters to the type of opportunity that you are looking for. It saves you time from scrolling through hundreds of listings. Do take your time to explore the opportunities listed on our page. Join Intellinz to connect with your suitable business partners today.